Welcome to the Garden of Easy Growth. Here, even the plants have a sense of humor. Let's dive into some practical tips for personal and professional success, with a sprinkle of laughter along the way. Discover 18 self-seeding plants you'll never replant. These wonders make your garden flourish with minimal effort.
Know you've been a good friend.
Calendula, with its vibrant orange and yellow hues, is like a burst of sunshine in your garden. Known for its medicinal properties, often used in salves and creams. Once planted, it takes care of itself, scattering seeds that sprout in spring. Borage, with its star-shaped blue flowers, is a favorite among pollinators, especially bees. Its nectar is sweet, making your garden a haven for these essential creatures. Borage self-seeds, ensuring a continuous supply of blooms, attracting buzzing life year after year. Dill, with its feathery leaves and distinct aroma, is a kitchen staple. Dill adds a fresh, tangy flavor to salads, soups, and fish dishes. It self-seeds readily, ensuring a fresh supply. Cilantro, with its vibrant green leaves and distinct flavor, is a must-have for any herb garden. It adds a fresh, citrusy kick to salsas, guacamole, and other dishes. Cilantro self-seeds quickly, providing a constant supply of fresh leaves throughout the season. Poppies, with their delicate petals in a kaleidoscope of colors, are like living brushstrokes in your garden. From crimson reds to sunny yellows, poppies bring artistry to any landscape. Nasturtiums are a feast for the eyes and the palate. These vibrant flowers are a cheerful addition to any garden. Both the flowers and leaves are edible. Add them to salads for a peppery bite or garnish dishes. They self-seed, ensuring a continuous supply. Parsley, with its bright green leaves and fresh flavor, is often relegated to the sidelines as a garnish. But this versatile herb deserves a starring role. It's packed with nutrients and adds a clean, fresh flavor to countless dishes. Parsley self-seeds easily, ensuring fresh sprigs to elevate your culinary creations. Arugula, with its distinctive peppery bite, adds a sophisticated touch to salads and sandwiches. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and adds complexity to any dish. Arugula self-seeds, providing a continuous supply throughout the growing season. Lettuce, a staple in salads and sandwiches, is a must-have for any garden. It self-seeds easily, ensuring fresh greens throughout the season. Spinach, with its dark green leaves and impressive nutritional profile, is a true garden superhero. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it's a healthy addition to smoothies, salads, and more. Spinach self-seeds, providing a continuous supply of this powerhouse. Chives, with their delicate onion flavor, add a subtle depth to countless dishes. Sprinkle them on baked potatoes, stir them into dips, or use them to garnish soups. Chives self-seed, ensuring a fresh supply for your culinary creations. Fennel, with its feathery fronds and distinct anise flavor, adds a unique touch to your garden and your plate. Use the fronds to garnish or infuse them into oils and vinegars for a subtle licorice flavor. Fennel self-seeds, ensuring a supply of this versatile herb. Marigolds, with their vibrant orange and yellow hues, are like miniature suns in your garden. These cheerful flowers repel pests and self-seed, providing continuous sunshine year after year. Sunflowers, with their towering stalks and sun-like blooms, are a statement piece in any garden. These cheerful giants bring grandeur and awe to any landscape. As they self-seed, they'll create a display year after year. Basil, with its fragrant leaves and intoxicating aroma, is a cornerstone of any herb garden. From sweet basil to Thai basil to lemon basil, there's a variety to tantalize every palate. Basil self-seeds readily, ensuring a constant supply throughout the growing season. Tomatoes, with their juicy flesh and vibrant flavor, are a garden favorite. From plump heirloom varieties to sweet cherry tomatoes, there's a tomato for every taste. Tomatoes self-seed easily, providing a bountiful harvest year after year. Peppers, with their range of colors, flavors, and heat levels, add a kick to any dish. From sweet bell peppers to fiery habaneros, there's a pepper for every palate. Peppers self-seed readily, ensuring a continuous supply of these versatile vegetables. Zinnias, with their vibrant hues and long-lasting blooms, are a showstopper. From fiery reds and oranges to sunny yellows and pinks, zinnias bring cheer to any landscape. As they self-seed, they'll create a breathtaking tapestry. Thank you for watching. Remember, a garden is a friend you can visit anytime. With these self-seeding wonders, your garden will grow and thrive with minimal effort. Happy gardening!